day everyone. Today, ating i-discuss itong final video ng ating Bernoulli equation. At saka before tayo mag-umpisa, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod na mga videos natin regarding the subject differential equations. Okay, so proceeding now. Yung previous lecture video natin, ito yung ginagamit natin na standard form, in which ang problem doon ay nag-involve itong dy over dx, plus y times this function p as a function of x is equal now to y to the n times q as a function of x, where ang nagiging solution niya is itong y raised to the power of 1 minus n phi is equal na to the integral of this q subscript r as a function of x times p times dx plus c. Okay? At ang nagiging phi integrating factor natin doon ay itong a raised to the power of the integral of p subscript r as a function of x dx. Okay? So sa problem natin ngayon, ang gagamitin naman natin is itong isang standard form na naman, na hindi siya dy over dx kundi dx over dy siya, plus x times p as a function of y is equal now to the x raised to the n times q as a function of your y. Okay? So ang magiging solution natin dito is itong x raised now to the power of 1 minus n times p is equal to the integral of this q subscript r as a function of your y times p dy plus c. At ang ating phi naman dito, yung integrating factor, ay itong e raised to the power of the integral of p subscript r as a function of y dy. Okay? So ang technique ninyo dito is ito lang, i-share ko sa inyo. You only need to memorize this case number 1 here, itong dy over dx, plus y times p as a function of x is equal na to y to the n times q as a function of x. Kasi kung nagiging baliktad dito, nagiging dx over dy, ang solution niya na ito ay i-replace mo lang yung y ng x. So tingnan natin itong y, i-replace natin ng x, so nagiging x siya raised to the power of 1 minus n times p is equal na to the integral of this q subscript r as a function of x. So i-replace siya ng q subscript r as a function of y, kaya nagiging function of y siya dito times p, at saka itong dx i-replace mo lang ng dy, so plus c. Okay? At sa integrating factor phi naman is itong p subscript r as a function of x, i-replace mo lang siya ng y, kaya nagiging p subscript r as a function of y, at saka itong dx naman ay nagiging dy. So ganyan lang kasimple, yung technique, para hindi mo na kailangang i-memorize lahat, you just need to memorize one of them at least, ma-minimize yung mga dapat mong i-memorize na mga formula or equation, so pwede mong i-memorize mo lang to, saka i-derive mo lang yung itong second case, or pwede mo rin itong i-memorize to, i-derive mo lang itong first case, so vice versa siya pwede. Okay, so going directly to the given problem, ito yung problem statement niya. Find the solution of the equation 3 dx over dy plus 3 times x over y is equal now to 2 times x to the 4th times y to the 4th. Okay? So, ang magiging solution natin dito is simple lang, dx over dy tayo. So, kailangan yung case number 2 natin. Okay? Yun lang ang target talaga natin, dito. So, by the way, ano yung case number 2? So, isulat ko lang dito ulit, yung target natin. Yung dx over dy, kasi dx over dy tayo. So, yung standard form na gagamitin natin is itong case number 2, plus your x, times itong p as a function of your y is equal na to x raised to the n times ito namang q, as a function of your y. Okay? So, ito yung standard form natin. Okay? At saka ang solution naman natin dito is ito naman ang target natin, ang solution x raised to the power of 1 minus n times yung phi natin, okay, is equal now to this integral of your q subscript r as a function of your y, okay, times phi saka ito dy, okay, plus c, okay. So ito yung solution natin, okay. Saka itong integrating factor naman natin, itong phi, ang gagamitin natin is itong e raised now to the power of the integral of your phi subscript r as a function of your y, at ito naman ay dy, okay. So ito yung i-consider natin, no, na standard form, at saka yung solution, at saka ito yung phi natin, okay. So going now to the calculation. So from this given equation, no, so we have now this 3, no, so we have this 3, i-rewrite muna natin siya dito, plus 3 dx over dy, okay, dx over dy plus 3 times your x over y is equal now to 2 times x to the 4th at saka y to the 4th, okay. So kunin natin itong 3, no, i-multiply natin siya ng 1/3, no, para magiging whole number siya, itong dx over dy natin, so times 1/3 lahat. So i-distribute natin sa kada term. So ang magiging sagot nito is magiging dx over dy na lang siya, plus ito naman ay magiging x, no, over y, at saka ito naman ay magiging 2/3, no, times x to the 4th times y to the 4th, okay. So i-express natin to ng ganitong form, no. So magiging dx over dy siya, plus yung x, no, i-times natin siya ng ating 1 over y, okay, is equal now to x to the n, no. So ito dito is x siya to the 4th, at saka itong q as a function of y naman niya is itong quantity na 2/3, okay, times your y to the 4th, okay. So na-express natin siya sa ganitong standard form. So ang ating n dito, no, is ang n natin is just equal now to 4, okay. Saka itong ating phi as a function of y, okay, from here is itong 1 over y, okay. At saka itong q as a function of y natin naman dito is equal now to 2/3 siya, no, ng y to the 4th, okay. So meron na tayo dito. So from this, ang solution natin is, ang kanyang solution is from, okay, so meron tayong x raised to the 1 minus n times p is equal now to the integral of your q subscript r as a function of your y, at saka phi, at ito naman ay dy, no, plus c, okay. So ang mangyayari dito, i-solve muna natin itong phi, no, where atong phi is, ang atong phi is just equal now to p raised to the power of the integral of your p subscript r as a function of your y dy, okay. So we are after to this, no. So at ano tong p subscript r as a function of your y, okay. So if you can still remember, no, ang ating p as a function of p subscript r as a function of your y is equal now to 1 minus n times your p as a function of your y, okay? At saka ito namang ano natin, itong n natin is meron na tayo which is 4. So ang mangyayari dito is substitute natin. So we have now this 1 minus 4, okay? Saka itong p as a function of your y is meron tayo dito 1 over y, okay? So 1 minus 4 times this 1 over y, okay? So this is just equal now to negative 3 over your y, okay? So meron na tayo nitong p subscript r as a function of your y. Okay, so isulat muna natin itong itong solution natin, no? Meron naman tayo dito, so diretso na tayo. Okay, so proceeding sa ating calculation, meron tayong p subscript r as a function of y, at ang susunod naman natin kukunin is yung q subscript of r, no, subscript r as a function of your y. Okay, so ang ating q subscript r as a function of your y is just equal now to, again, 1 minus n times ito namang q dito as a function of your y. Okay, so this is just equal now to 1 minus 4, okay? At ang ating q, no, as a function of your y is just equal now to this 2/3, no, 2/3 times this y to the 4th, okay? So i-simplify natin to. So ang ating q subscript r as a function of y is just equal now to, so magka-cancel siya, negative 3, so matira yung negative, so magiging negative 2 siya times your y raised to the power of 4, okay? So we can say na meron na tayo dito, no? So ang ating p dito is just equal now to e raised now to the integral of negative 3, okay, negative 3 over your y, okay, dy, okay? So yung p subscript r as a function of y mo dito is itong negative 3 over y, kaya nagiging negative 3 over y siya dito, dy. Okay, so ipalabas natin yung constant, so e, so this is negative 3, no? Palabas natin yung negative constant, integral of dy over y na lang siya, okay? So simplifying more, so ito ay magiging negative 3, yung integral of dy over y natin just dahil in y, no? So i-drop natin yung constant pag kina-calculate natin itong p, no, as integrating factor, so magiging ln y na lang siya dito, okay? ln of your y, and this is probably equal now to e raised now to the, so ito ay magiging exponent niya, no? So ln of your y raised to the power of negative 3. So again, meron tayong property ng ating exponentiation, no? E raised now to the power of ln x, no? Yung property natin, e raised now to the power of ln x is just equal now to x. So dito yung x ay itong y raised to the power of negative 3, okay? So ang magiging value pala ng ating phi dito is just equal now to y raised now to the power of negative 3, okay? So base sa ating solution dito, pwede na natin itong gamitin, no? Substitute natin yung n at saka yung phi. Meron naman tayo ditong q subscript para sa function of your y, no? Meron na tayo dito. Pwede na natin ma-solve, no? Unti-unti itong solution, okay? So proceeding, no? So thus we can say, okay, so from here x raised now to the power of 1 minus n, no? Times p is equal now to the integral of your u subscript r as a function of your y times p times dy plus c. Okay, ito ay magiging x 1 minus 4. Okay, at ito naman p natin is times y raised to the negative 3. Okay, is equal now to the integral of this q subscript r as a function of y, no? So ito yun, negative 2y to the 4th. Okay, so ito ay magiging negative 2 times y raised to the 4, no? Saka ito namang phi natin is meron na tayo y raised to the negative 3. Okay, at dy dito plus itong c natin. Okay, so simplifying, so this would be equal na to x raised to the negative 3 y raised to the negative 3, and this would be equal now to, palabas natin yung product nito, no, is meron siyang integral of negative 2 y, so yung the same variable, no, but different exponent, so y raised to the power of 4, so i-plus natin yung exponent niya, so 4 plus negative 3, so 1 na lang, so negative 2y na lang siya, dy plus c. Okay, so proceeding, no, sa ating calculation dito, okay, so magiging x, no, x raised now to the negative 3 times y raised to the negative 3 is equal now to, ipalabas natin yung constant, negative 2 integral of your y dy plus c. Okay, so masosolve na natin to, no, equals to negative 2, so itong integral of y dy is just u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1, so ang n natin is 1 dito, so y squared siya, no, y squared over n plus 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, plus your constant c1. Okay, plus your c, ito yung c. Okay, so ito ay magiging, i-distribute natin to dito, so magiging negative y squared na lang siya. Okay, negative y raised to the squared, at ito ay minus negative 2 times c1 to c1, so plus c. Okay, so mag-delete tayo dito, no, delete natin yung c2 equal now to negative 2 c1 plus c. Okay, so mangyayari dito is magiging x raised to the negative 3 y to the power of negative 3 is equal now to negative y squared plus itong c2 natin. Okay, so after this is meron na tayong, no, we are almost there, no, sa ating solution. So pwede rin natin sabihin na itong c2, kasi nandito na tayo, wala na tayo ibang constant, no, so pwede natin i-assign na final c, let c is equal na to c2 then. Okay, so mangyayari dito is x raised to the negative 3 y to the negative 3 is equal na to negative y squared plus your final constant c. Okay, so actually ito na talaga yung solution niya, plus, no, dito, o pwede mo rin ibaba, no, or pwede mo ibaba ito, so pwede rin maging 1 over x cubed y cubed is equal now to negative y squared plus c. Okay, so nakuha na natin ang solusyon ng given equation, no. Pwedeng ganito yung form niya, or pwede mo rin gamitin itong form na to, no, sa ibaba. Okay, so So you can either use this one or this solution. 1 over x cubed by cube is equal now to negative y squared plus your c. So ganito lang kasimple, no, yung Bernoulli equation plus. So I hope na meron kayong natutunan, no, sa araw na to regarding this sample problem natin using this dx over dy na form, no. At saka I hope na nakakatulong ito sa inyo, no, for your upcoming or incoming mga board examination. And maraming salamat, no, sa inyong pakikinig. Thank you very much for watching. And ang next topic naman natin, no, sa susunod na lecture video natin with a sample problem. Ito namang differential equation, linear in x and y variables. Okay? So abangan nyo ang next video natin regarding dito. Okay, so ito naman itong references ko regarding sa differential equation na subject ni Rinbel, Nagdi at saka ni De La Fuente et al. And once again, thank you everyone, no, for watching and subscribing. And please do not forget, no, to like also, and you can even share this video sa iba niyong mga kasama or kaklase ba kaya, para makatulong din sa kanila, no, itong topic natin ngayon. Okay? So once again, God bless everyone, keep safe, and ingat tayo.